enough for you because you're always like, I got fucking ice.
So if it's like this tomorrow, I guess he won't be going to work. Look at that, our snowball. He's making a mess of things. He's going, ooh. Shinny, ninny.
Don't do it! Guys like that, I punch. He didn't even look this way. He didn't even fucking stop. And the only reason why I did that instead of slamming into him is because there was no traffic.
I know.
Because you know at that point, because of that, we wouldn't be held at fault.
Why?
Because it shows on camera that the fucker didn't stop. Dude.
He's probably sliding. Yeah, he is. He's sliding this way, honey. Just stay behind him. I'm taking that video off.
Why? Oh, you mean you're not even centered on the screen.
What?
On the truck, you're not centered.
Doesn't matter. It shows that one coming out. I'll guarantee it showed it.
This is where it could hurt.